Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can activate shadow theme on Instagram. So the first step you need to do is to open Play Store and search for the Instagram. Click on that and you need to update your Instagram application. Once you done that, you need to go back and you simply need to open Instagram application and log in into your account. Click on the messenger icon on the top right, select any conversation, click on the person name, click on theme. So once you are here, you need to scroll down and currently you can see that citrus, so here it is shadow, so you simply need to select that, wait for few seconds, and now you can see that shadow theme is activated for this conversation. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.